media. Yes, man.
Dog. No, somebody didn't
You messing it up. Sorry, dog.
But the dog like get married, my youth. I have a couple of youth and move to Canada, dog.
Canada, dog?
Yeah, because you see, United States and North Korea war. That thing that can escalate some of the things.
Yeah, true.
That's why I'm going to move to Canada, my youth.
You know, dog. You just have to try, dog.
Try it, my youth.
Yeah.
When I'm going to tell you about a food place, you go try it.
Dog,
when I'm going to tell you about a store where you can go shop, dog, for cheap, you go try it, dog. When I'm going to tell you about in girl, my youth, you just love the thing, dog.
Yeah, me and son of dog, you dare talk about how our goal so good, man. I just sit have to try, dog. Dog, but... Tell us, you, dog. Really nice, dog. I'm sorry, dog. I asked you. I swear, dog.
Hello? Yeah. With a blue dress. Nothing. Alright, later. You know what? Now move on.
Dog, I know your girl is dog. I know your girl is dog. Chop it, dog. Chop it, dog. Chop it, no, no, but anyways, dog, I know your girl is my youth. I will if a woman in the world, Kevin, dog. For real. So you say, my boss. No hard feelings.
No hard feelings, man. You see me?
No hard feelings.
No hard
dog.
feelings,
You see me,
dog.
dog? No hard
That's how we
feelings,
think,
my bridging
For a long time, dog.
You can't make a girl come between our things.
No girl
dog.
come between you, dog.
You can't. Oh, see, my mother there, you know. My mother that far, you know, you see me?
You ready?
Yeah, may I come?
No, not you, son.
What?
Blue dress look nice. Blue dress. Blue dress.
Well, thank you.
So, yeah, we're on that.
Nothing like you said.
No.
Son, spend the night at Tyrone's house.
What?
You know what? Spend the entire weekend. I'll see you on Monday.
Hold on, I want to go on.
No hard feelings, yeah?